Ever wondered why we say we're in a pickle when things get tough? It's time to slice through the history and find out where this expression came from. Although not with the same meaning, there is evidence that the expression originated with the Dutch. However, from an English perspective, we can flash back to the early 17th century. Shakespeare, who was not just a playwright but a master of words, introduced this phrase in his play, The Tempest. In the play, one of the characters laments about being in a pickle. But why pickles? Well, back in Shakespeare's day, pickles weren't just a snack. They were a big deal in the culinary world, known for their sharp and mixed flavors. However, in Shakespeare's time, pickle was related with being under the influence of alcohol. So this pickled and intoxicated person was in a difficult and mixed-up situation. Over time, this phrase has evolved to not just referring to being inebriated or drunk, but being in a tough situation. So next time you say you're in a pickle, remember you're channeling a bit of Dutch and English flair mixed with culinary history. Not just a phrase, but a mini history lesson every time you say it. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to test your knowledge of idioms and phrases, click the link on your screen to our quiz on idioms. We hope you have a nice day, and we will see you in the next one.